Let's learn the numbers in Swahili. Twende kazi. Welcome, karibu. Jina langu ni Jess. That means my name is Jess. And this is Swahili Vibes, the channel that teaches you easy and simple conversations in Swahili, words that you'll actually use while interacting and even traveling in native Swahili speaking countries. So, karibu, that means welcome. This week's lesson, we're going to learn the numbers in Swahili. So, as you know, numbers run from 0 to infinity. So today we're only going to tackle the ones, the tens, the hundreds, and the thousands. And after that, you'll be able to understand and even put together the other numbers because you know the basics. Let's get started. And here are the numerical forms. 0 in Swahili is sufuri. This won't be very common out there in the marketplace, but you'll actually hear this often in classroom setups. So I hope you don't get zeros in your exams because they'll say sufuri. Please study. And 1 is moja, moja. 2 is mbili. 3 is tatu. 4 is nne. 5 is tano. 6 is sita. 7 is saba. 8 is nane. 9 is tisa. 10 is kumi. Yay! Good job, guys. So now that you have 0 to 10 down, just continue practicing because you'll have to use these numbers again. So when you get to the other numbers above 10, for example, 11, 11 is 10 plus 1. 10 in Swahili is kumi. And then 1 in Swahili is moja. In between, you add and. And in Swahili, that is na. Okay? So the full word will be kumi na moja. I promise you it's going to get easier. Let's do another one. 12 is 10 plus 2. So 10 in Swahili is kumi and 2 is mbili. So you just combine that with the na in between and it becomes kumi na mbili. That's why you need to get the ones memorized and right at your fingertips. Now that we know how to add them into each other, let's do 19. That's 10 and 9, which is kumi na tisa. Yeah, pretty simple, right? 20 is a new tense, so it has its own name. 20 in Swahili is ishirini. Ishirini. The more you practice, you'll get the R really rolling off your tongue. So ishirini. Then now let's do another one. For example, 24. It has 20 and 4. So in Swahili you'd say ishirini na nne. Good job. Let's do 27. Ishirini na saba. We now get to 30. 30 in Swahili is thelathini. Thelathini. And something to note is that all the tens have an ini at the end. So all of them will end with an ini. For example, ishirini, thelathini. Okay? Let's do 32. That's 30 plus 2. It still works the same way. That would be thelathini na mbili. Good job. So now that you get the gist, I'll go right into all the tens and let's get up to 100. So 30 is thelathini, 40 is arobaini, arobaini. You see the ini? 50 is hamsini, hamsini. 60 is sitini, sitini. 70 is sabini, sabini. 80 is themanini, themanini. 90 is tisini, tisini. Then we get to 100. 100 is mia moja, mia moja. And after this one, everything actually gets so much easier because you now have to remember the ones, then add the mia before it. So for example, now that 100 is mia moja, can you guess what is 200? We have mia and mbili. Yes. For example, we want to do 300. 300 is mia tatu. 400 is mia nne. 500 is mia tano. Yeah. All the way up to 900, which is mia tisa. Good. Then now we get to thousands, and thousands are called elfu, elfu. It still works the same way with the hundreds, where you just put elfu and the ones, and then it becomes a full 1,000. So for example, if it's 1,000, you could say elfu moja. If it's 2,000, elfu mbili. And you get the gist. Now that's basically numbers in Swahili, and it's pretty simple. The more you understand the ones and the tens, you get it right off the bat. So I hope you liked counting with me. That's it for this week, and I hope that you learn and join us for the next one, where we'll be talking a lot more about numbers and money. See you next time. Kwaheri.